Alright guys, so what we're going to do today, or what we're going to attempt to do, is put an electric fence along the edge of the top of the chicken coop. We elected not to put a fence over the top of our chicken coop, but we have had some small chickens get eaten by raccoons, possums, whatever. So we're going to put one electric fence wire across the top, so when the coons or possums climb over, they get zapped. Blah, blah, blah. So anyway, what we got? We have these post insulators. So, supposed to come with, there's the nails. So we got this that just basically goes like that, and we can nail it to the top, or we can nail it to the side and have the electric wire off to the side. Not certain which way we're going to go with it yet. But it just nails on just like that, and you run your wire through there. Oh no, would y'all shut up? You're awfully loud. Look at Birdie over there all fluffed up.
Now that's the real Birdie. She's getting fat again.
No, she just puffed out. Alright, so bought a little roll of electrical wire. $4.99. 250 feet.
That's not bad.
No, I think when we put up the wire, it was like 200 feet. But then we got that little bit of area. Don't know how we're going to put these on that though. Because this is metal. How do I... Maybe I can get some screws of some kind? Or what are you filming?
Sorry.
Like the ground there?
I forgot.
Anyway. So, I don't really know how we're going to do that. Might have to figure that out. But, anyway. That's the gist of it. And then we got this little battery operated DC 5-mile electric zapper thingy.
Not really.
Technical terms there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm not the most technical. So anyway.
What about that thing that you know that Justin Rhodes, he goes like.
Yeah, that tester.
Yeah.
You know what that is? That's your hand. So when you get it hooked up, you grab a hold to it, and if it zaps you, you're like, holy crap, it's working.
No. We're not doing that.
We're not going to buy a $30 thingamajiggy to tell me that the fence is working. I'm just going to grab it and...
Are you really going to grab it?
Yeah.
It's going to hurt.
I mean, you're going to grab it too. We're going to film it, and you're going to like, whoop, whoop.
Does it have a raccoon on here?
Well, no. It's got a chicken, rabbit, dog, goat, pig, horse. I mean, if it'll keep a horse in, it'll keep a raccoon out, maybe. Alright, so, first things first.
It's because a lot of these have been getting ate.
Yeah, which they're getting bigger now, so I don't know if they get ate now, but as they were in the growing process, several of them came up missing.
Do you hear
making
that?
that noise. Making all kinds of noises. All right, so what do you think, Callie? You think we ought to put it on the top?
Are we doing it on this side? I thought we were doing it on the other side.
Huh?
I thought we were doing it on the other side.
I was thinking about putting it on the top right here. So that'll be just like a couple of inches off this wire, so that like the coon couldn't slip through without getting zapped.
Because they are pretty smart.
Yeah. Because if we put it on the other side, then I got to worry about stuff like this. You know, getting up on it. No. I think that's what we'll do.
It's really sunny outside today. It's hard to get shaded parts of that.
Oh. Well, we're underneath a shaded tree. You would think it'd be all right. So we'll just see if we can nail that in. This is not working. What's going
Because I thought I saw something. Wait.
on? Okay, there we go.
And there's Broody. She hopped up from her nest, but
Guess that's how it goes. Maybe we ought to read it. The first one I messed up on. So, this is supposed to go through here like that. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
I thought that it had like a place to.
Yeah, you would think that. Yeah.
Because there would be no point in having the whole thing just for it to go in a hole and then not have anywhere to go out.
Yeah, well, should have spoke up. Anyway, we live and learn. My first electric fence wire, right? Hadn't had to deal with this crap before. All right. Oh crap, Jordan's out here. He'll surely rat us out.
Mom doesn't like when he spends all this money on chickens. She thinks they're just for eggs and food.
Yeah.
Well, we do not eat the chickens. That is wrong, guys.
We do not eat our chickens. We eat chicken. We just
That's wrong.
so far have not ate our own chicken.
So now we're gonna
So
go
far.
over there.
Yeah.
Dad, stop!
Huh?
I hate when you say that.
All right.
Don't mind those chickens. I'm too short for this.
All right. There we go. Ow, my finger's stuck. Oh.
I figured that was gonna happen with your finger right there.
There again. Speak up. Could have saved me an injury.
This one we did a little bit weirder. Because it was our first one and we didn't really know. There's our gray one. That's not the gray one, just kidding.
Just kidding. You know what the bad thing about these things being yellow? It's like
They attract a lot.
pitching to them. So your mom's gonna be walking around. She's gonna be like, "What is that yellow? When did this happen?" We'll say 6 months ago, something like that. I never watch our YouTubes anyway, so.
Even though she's in the picture and I'm not, that's a little messed up.
That is. Yeah, you want to be in the picture. Is
That's
that what
fine.
you're trying to get at?
No, it's fine. Why is your camera so good quality?
Because my camera is newer than yours.
I'm hungry.
She's bringing home steak. All right, so here we're gonna have to actually put it on sideways.
Kind of smells a little weird in here.
It's that rotten dog food right there.
Mm.
We were using to trap raccoons.
Oh, that's
That's how it's actually supposed to go, you know.
really?
Yeah.
What's that blue thing in the woods?
I think that's some junk that they threw out 100 years ago. I may have underestimated how many posts we had here.
Ooh, I'm hungry.
Yeah, if you don't know, Kaylee's been sick all week. So,
That's why the camera's shaky.
yeah.
You know, I'm hungry right now and I'm shaking. I have to wait on Mom to get home. Those do kind of pop out.
A little bit. Let's just take the whole bag with us. Yeah, they do kind of stand out a little bit.
Man, it's hot outside.
Well, just be glad we're in the shade.
Hate the smell of chicken poop.
That was not chicken poop you're smelling there, baby.
What was it?
That's that rotten dog food.
Bit in the taller grass. We just cut the grass yesterday, but we obviously didn't cut the grass yet.
Yeah. Insulator.
A what?
They're called insulators.
Are we doing it around the whole thing?
Yeah.
No, I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it around the whole thing.
Are you even looking at anything?
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
I know that you're like the best camper lady.
I'm about to pass out right now. She needs to hurry up.
You do realize that we have to cook all the food.
I know. I'm going to have a snack in between.
You think she bought some snacks?
I hope she did.
We got to fill up their chicken food bucket today too. All right, so I'm going to try. I'll have to cut all this stuff off here. Alright, so what I want to do is try and drill a hole, pilot hole, in there.
It's so bad lighting. Look at it.
Yeah,
Look at it, Dad. It's so bad.
Maybe you ought to go on the other side.
I have to climb all the way over there. Okay, let me go.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, I was filming. Oopsies.
Alright,
Still really bad.
let's see if this is going to work.
We have a screw now.
Oh, yeah.
It worked just like that.
Yep.
That was quick.
So now, I just got to go hit all these with it.
And I'm stuck over here.
Yeah, I'm coming over there.
Oh.
There. But, here,
You forgot the yellow thing.
I got to drill the hole first. Only kicker is the wire's going to run right across here. So when we open up this thing, we're going to have to duck underneath the wire.
Uh-oh. And also, since we have the chicks in there, the gate always has to be closed because we don't let them free range, and our chickens' roosting area is also in there. And so normally some of them can fly over and some of them can't. And so when they fly over, they might hit it.
I had to cut that off.
That's what holds our buckets, our food buckets.
Well, I guess I could put it on the inside or put it on the top. We'll just run it in the top. How about that? Shut up, chicken. Yeah, it's holding.
It's a little wiggly.
Hmm.
I guess it'll hold a little piece of wire.
Yeah.
And we only have a couple more after this one. They're really loud, and we already gave them their food in the morning. It's just in the shed.
I think they just want some more. I think that's why they're being such.
After this, we might go and get them. Just to shut them up, though. Oh.
Now, when we come over here, I'm going to have to get a piece of wood or something to strap on here because I don't want to have to bend over every time we come in here. So I'm going to strap a piece of wood over, and then we can run the wire up and over it.
Yeah.
Top.
But how does a piece of wood go like that? Like a rainbow?
Like I'll attach it here, come up to about right here, and then just come over, then come down, and I'll just strap it to this post.
Okay. I don't get. Well, you got to get your stuff.
All right. Just leave that there right now.
But we have to do those other ones.
Huh?
Those other ones over
Oh,
there.
those are inside the fence. So we're just going around the outside edge, right?
But now we got
We
to go.
don't care if they jump from this.
What about the wire?
Huh?
The wire?
You want to run the wire?
Let's do it.
I'm sure we need to put some in there by now.
No. It's still what it looked like yesterday. This is our new waterer thing. And we might even have to get a couple more of these. Didn't you even forget about these? Because you got them from Wish, and Wish is like really cheap and takes like 5 months for you to get your stuff.
Yep. I think they're like, I don't know, $5 or something.
There's a lot that come
you
in
have to
them.
wait like
5
year and a
months.
half. All right, so
Start right here.
we'll leave some extra wire hanging in here.
So first, let's just show you how he does it, and then most of it will be in time lapse after this.
So we're just getting some extra wire here, and then we just see that number. Now I'm gonna wrap it on this one so that it doesn't pull loose.
I don't really think this is even going to take long.
No.
See? Just hook it. And yeah. So you get the point of it.
What is? Oh,
How do you let it go?
just, yeah, there you go. Just want to keep it pulled tight. Good job. All right, so here I want to wrap it. Let me do it. Here.
Now
Just
he's gonna
wanna-
wrap it.
I want to make sure that we keep it tight here.
We didn't bring any pliers to cut it
I
off.
got some in my pocket. There, you want to go now?
Yes. Do you want to wrap it here too?
Yeah. So pull it tight. Hang on. Gotta pull it tight. All right, now wrap. Now go. Oh yeah, you get to go through the jungle.
I don't like
Yeah, come in here and cut these little saplings down. All right, you missed one.
Oh, oops. It's kind of forgot about that one.
There you go. All right,
Why is it not?
it's got to pull tight. Go up over this. There we go. There you go. Oh, we're in trouble.
Caught.
We got caught.
Mom's coming.
Hmm.
This guy.
I had to edit this portion out.
No, we're gonna keep this really funny.
All right, you wanna?
Uh-oh.
All right, you're gonna have to jump over. Here, hold this.
Oop.
There.
I want to do it.
Chickens aren't expensive, are they?
Nope.
This
Here,
was
hold that.
$5.
What was $5?
This
Why?
$4.99.
Turn it on, it's gonna shock you.
No, it's not.
Hold on, babe.
What? You're on video.
I don't want to be on video.
Oh.
Is it really on video?
No, Mommy, we're posting this.
You're not posting it. You gotta edit it.
We can edit it, yes. Dad, can I keep rolling? Mommy, I'm gonna need you to hold
I know
this.
how to do it.
You go.
Up.
No, other way. Nope.
I had it right. That's the right way.
No,
right?
it's not. That's, you go like this. Then it's hard to do with one hand.
I got it.
Screw an insulator in the middle of this pipe so keep it up off the pipe.
Same thing I did.
Yeah, but it's different. Then get on this one.
Why is this one different?
Because we had to do it from the top. Because this thing holds our food buckets.
You didn't wrap it on this, okay?
You have to wrap it on that one?
Hey, hang on, before you go any further, let me zap one in the middle there so that we can.
What?
It won't take you just a second.
No, I thought you meant zap like zap, zap,
Yeah,
zap.
we'll let you test it whenever it's your turn.
No.
Seen any houses you like on the market?
Look lately. We're stopped. Because
We're
I gotta
not.
build, I gotta get the stuff, I gotta get the stuff to build that little arch. And then we'll be done. Because I really don't want to bend over every time I go in there. I don't mind, I guess, in that one. Well, we're stopped. Because
We're
I gotta
not.
build, I gotta get the stuff, I gotta get the stuff to build that little arch. And then we'll be done. Because I really don't want to bend over every time I go in there. I don't mind, I guess, in that one.